Hello dear students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. Student, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 11, perimeter and area. And today we will do the first exercise of this chapter, that is 11.1. So, as we used to do before starting the exercise question, yes, introduction about the exercise question, that what type of question we'll have in this exercise. Right? So let's start the introduction. As the name suggests, perimeter and area. Students, the student having a lot of problem between the perimeter area. Means they don't know what is exactly perimeter and what is exactly area. Very simple, student. See, if whatever figure is being given to you, if we talk about the perimeter of this figure, then we talk about the boundary, means the surrounding of the given figure, right? And in this will sum all the sides. Okay, and when we talk about the area, so area means the inner part, inner portion of the particular figure, means inside one figure the area is space occupied by a figure. So space occupied, suppose this is a marker. If I keep this marker on a table, okay, so how much space this marker occupies, that is called area. And we take out the perimeter, so we will take the surrounding of this table. Right, student? What is area? Area is inside of a given figure, and perimeter the outer side, this surrounding, sum of the all sides. Right, student? And the unit of perimeter is single unit only because it is one dimensional figure, and unit for area is unit square because it is two dimensional. That is why the unit will be unit square. It means meter है, meter square, centimeter square, whatever. Okay, student. Although we have done this introduction in junior classes, but still I have done the recapitulation about this basic part. Okay. Now coming to the exercise questions, one introduction. What type of question we have, student? Basic questions only. Find out the perimeter of rectangle, find out the area of rectangle, area of square, perimeter of square. If side is given to you, find out the perimeter. Right, student? So basically you have to know the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to, as you know, perimeter is sum of all sides. L plus B plus B. It means 2 times L plus B. And area of rectangle will be length into breadth. In the same hand, perimeter of square is sum of all sides, that is 4 into side, and the area of square is, yes, side into side. Right? Now student, if you know the area and if you know the area of rectangle, length of rectangle, but you don't know the breadth, so formula will remain same. So breadth will remain here only and the formula will be area upon length. Means these type of formula will arise from the basic formula only. So for that you have to know the basic formula of square and perimeter. Right, student? Only these basic questions we have in this exercise. So you have to write all the formulas before starting the exercise question on your front page. Okay, students? So let's quickly start our exercise 11.1. See, the question number 1 we have the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land. Means length is given to you and breadth is given to you. Student, in the class 6 also we have the perimeter and area chapter, and I told you whenever you have the word problem, very first thing you will write the given term. So what you have, length of rectangle, that is 500 meter, and the breadth of rectangle, that is 300 meter. Right? What you have need to find out, area means area of rectangle. So very simple, directly you will put the formula. Area of rectangle is L into B. So that is 500 into 300 in the bracket. Once only I have written meter square. Unit is very important, don't forget. So simply 5 3s are 15, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The shortcut multiplication we have learned in junior classes, right? 1, 2. So it means 1,50,000 meters square is the area of that rectangular field. Now B part also we have the cost of land we have to find out. कि अगर this much land we have to purchase, buy करना है, so how much cost for that? And cost is given to you 1 meter square cost. मतलब 1 meter square cost is given to 10,000. And for this much area, how much it would be? Very simple. In junior classes we have done. If one thing cost is given to you, you have to find out for more thing. So you will multiply. So very simple. That 1 meter square cost of the land is 10,000. Right? And how much you need to find out for 1,50,000. So the cost for 1000 meters square will be rupees 10,000 multiplied 1,50,000. So now see, we have all zeros term. So this is 15. 15 ones are 15. Right? So how many total zero? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rupees. And you will write down standard form 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This would be the answer for this question. So this much rupees cost is for this much land. Right, student? Very simple. It is just a calculation only. So this is all about question number 1. Now coming to our question number 2. Coming to our question number 2, find the area of square. So you have to find out the area of square. You know, area of square is side into side. So area of square is side into side. Right? This we know. Now next line is whose perimeter is 20 meter. You have to find out the area. So you given the side of the square. No? Then only you will find out. How from the perimeter you can find out the area? Because as you know, the perimeter of square is 4 into side. So with the help of perimeter, we will able to find out side. So in this side, we will put into the area, then easily we will get the area of square. Right, student? So basically you need to understand the question. Right? So let's quickly start. We have 320 meter and 4 into side. First formula, second step, put the value into the formula. Now find out side remain here only. Okay, this 4 will moving towards that side. See, all are just basic thing only. Right? 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32, 80. It means the side is 80 meter. Now side we know. Now easily we find out the area. So area of square 80 meter into 80 meter. So that is 8 8s are 64, 2 zeros meter, m into m meter square. So the area of square is 6,400 meter square. Very simple, student. Question are just very simple. You just need to understand it. That's it. Okay. So this is all about question number 2. Now coming to our next question. See, student. Again we have simple question. Question number 3. Find the breadth of rectangular plot of the land. If its area is this meter square and length is this. I told you introduction part. If area is length into breadth. So breadth you need to find out. So formula will be A upon L, and area is also given to you and length is also given to you. So with the help of this formula you will be able to find out the breadth. Right? After taking out the breadth, that is the answer. Next line is also find its perimeter. So also you have to find out the perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into L plus B. Length is given to you. Breadth you will find out. So that will be the perimeter. Very simple, student. So I have explained you how to do. So student, one more thing. See, area is a meter square and length is in meter. When you will cancel the terms, you will cancel the unit as well. So breadth will be dash meter, because breadth is in one dimensions. So one dimension only meter will be, because 1 meter will cancel out with 1 meter. So these small things you need to understand in the equation. Right, student? So this question is homework for you. You will do by your own. Although I have explained this very simple. Okay. So this is all about question number 3. Now coming to our next question. Now student, question number 4. The perimeter of rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. It means perimeter is given to you 100 centimeter. Right? And length is given to you 35. Find its breadth. In previous question, area and length was given to you. Breadth you have to find out. And here, perimeter and length is given to you. You need to find out the breadth. And next is also find its area. If you know the breadth and length, easily you will find out the area at L into B. Right, student? So let's start. First of all, perimeter is asking. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Always you need to write down the formula first. Then second step, put the values into the formula. 100 centimeter, 2 into L is 35 centimeter plus B. Now students are having problem to solve such type of equation. We have done chapter number in which we will solve the terms in equation 1. Right? Linear equation 1. So student, whenever we have such type of term, see 100 centimeter, here is 2. 2 first of all, shift that side, it is in multiplication. So here will come with division. Here what left? The full term, 35 centimeter plus breadth. So here you have solved, it becomes 50. So 50 centimeter is equals to 35 centimeter is equals to B. Now we need to find out B. B will remain here only. 50, this 35 is plus, that side will go, it become minus, so minus 35 centimeter. So 50 minus 35, that is 15 centimeters. So breadth is equals to 15 centimeter. See, such type of question we have only calculation. Our calculation should be correct. That's it, student. Okay, rest the part is of formula only. Now breadth you know, length you know. Now area easily you will find out. Area of rectangle is L into B. L is 35 centimeter. B is 15 centimeter. So 35 into 15 is 525. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. See, the equations are very simple. Just steps you need to follow. That's it. Okay. So this is all about question number 4. Now coming to our next question. Then coming to our question number 5. You need to understand the word problem. What is exactly asking or given? Okay student, let's start. The area of square park is same as of rectangular park. Means both park, the square park and the rectangular park, both the area is equal. Okay, this condition is given to you. It means what is given to you? Area of square is equal to area of rectangle. Now it is main shape. Area of square park is equal to area of rectangular park. This is given to you. Right? Next line is, if side of square is 60 meter, it means side of square is 60 meter, right? And length of rectangular park. Now length of rectangular park is, what student? 90 meter, right? Now one is side, one is length is given to you. Question is find the breadth. Very simple student. Condition is given to you, area of square is equals to area of rectangle. What is area of square? Side into side. And what is area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Right? Formula number, put the values. Side is given to you 60 meter. So 60 meter into 60 meter. And length is given to you 90 meter. And breadth we don't know. Very simple student. Out of these parts only breadth we need to find out. So breadth will remain here only. 60 into 60, that is 3600 meter. Okay, 90 meter is multiplication, then it will go with divide, right? Is multiplication, then it will go with divide 90 meter, right? 0 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36 and 1 0 as it is. Now unit also, 1 meter is cancelled out with 1 meter. Okay, so it means breadth is equals to 40 meter. Very simple, student. It seems like very difficult question, but whatever condition is given to you, we have just put into it, then easily we got the answer. So always we have to fulfill this only. Condition we need to write and then put the value into the condition, that's it. Okay, very simple. So this is all about question number 5. Now coming to our next question. Now question number 6, student, you will say this much lengthy question it is. But you need to understand the given thing, right? Let's start. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Means one wire is there, which in which shape it is? It is in rectangle shape, right? Always rectangle shape. So length and breadth is given to you. Length and breadth is given to you, right? Next line is, if same wire is rebent in the shape of square. It means ये रेक्टेंगल को ही रीबेंड किया, उसको रीबेंड मतलब स्टूडेंट मोल्ड किया, ओके, एंड कन्वर्टेड इनटू स्क्वायर, राइट? व्हाट विल बी द मेजर ऑफ ईच साइड? सो व्हाट विल बी द मेजर ऑफ ईच साइड? राइट, साइड, आउटर साइड. So also find which shape encloses more area. उसके बाद you have to find out कि which shape enclose more area. Obvious जिसका आंसर ज्यादा, that shape will get the more area, right? But first of all, to find out the side of a square, what you have to find out? See, rectangle. Side is asking means outer side. So outer, when we talk about boundary one, then it means it is perimeter. So it means the question is given to you, perimeter of rectangle is equals to perimeter of square, right student? Why? Because whatever perimeter is there for the rectangle, इसी को तो bend करके we have made the square, right? It means what perimeter is available for the rectangle, the same for the square, right? So side easily we will find out because perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. So 2, length we know that is 40, breadth we know that is 22. Just put the formula, just put the values, get the answer is equals to 4 into side. Now we'll solve it. 40 plus 22, 62. 62 into 2 is equals to 4 into side. Stepwise you will solve every question, right? First we have plus, then you will multiply with 2. 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. So it means 124 centimeter is equals to 4 into side. Right student? So it means side we need to find out. Side will be 124 upon 4, right? Because 4 here is multiplication, वहाँ जाएगा divide में. So 4 4, 4 3s are 12 and 4 1s are 4. It means side is 31 centimeter. So side is given to you 31 centimeter. Right student? Each side is 31, 31, 31, 31. Right? Now question is also find out which shape enclose more area. Area पूछा है तो obviously you will put the formula for area, that is area of rectangle. Length into breadth. Length is 40, breadth is 22, right? We will multiply. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. It means 880 centimeter square. Just calculation and then area of square. Right? Area of square is side into side, that is 31 into 31. Side into side, 31 into 31 centimeter square. So 31 into 31 is 961. So 961 centimeter square. So we got area of rectangle, area of square. Question is, which shape encloses more area? We will write the last. Therefore, the area of it has more area than area of square. That's it, student. It is just a calculation. It seems like very difficult, but it's not. Okay, so this is all about question number 6. Now coming to our next question. Student, coming to our question number 8. Question number 7 is homework for you, student. Because only this question only I am giving you homework with. This question is very simple only. Okay, so question number 8. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. Means one wall is there. Suppose this is a wall. Which shape it is? Rectangular shape. Okay, the door is fitted. In this, the door is fitted. In this, length is given and breadth is given. Okay, when you will measure the door, you will measure length and breadth only. The length and breadth is given to you of this door, and the length of the wall is 4.5 and breadth is 3.6. It means this wall ki bhi length and breadth is given to you. Right, student? Now next line is find the cost of whitewashing the wall is 20 per meter square. Per meter square means 1 meter square वॉल करने की कॉस्ट 20 है. सो फुल को करने की कॉस्ट क्या आएगी? इट मीन्स द एरिया. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज स्टूडेंट, नथिंग इज देयर पैरामीटर और एरिया. हाउ यू विल फाइंड आउट? यू विल डू द एरिया ओनली बिकॉज इन द इक्वेशन इज व्हाइट वॉश ऑन द वॉल. सी वॉल पे करोगे मीन्स इनसाइड. So inside part is area only. Second thing, the cost is given to 20 per meter square. Meter square is the unit for area only. Right, student? So logically you read the question. Right? So first of all, and see, you will paint the wall only. You will not paint the door because door के लिए अलग paint होगा. You need to paint the wall only. So when you will paint the wall only, you will subtract the area of this door because this will be subtracted from whole wall. Right, student? Understood? So first of all, we will write down the solution. Area of a wall. Area of wall rectangular है, so that is L into B. So L is wall 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. So the answer is 4.5 into 3.6, 16.2 meter square. This is the area for wall. So what is the area for door? Area of door is equals to length into breadth. Right? So length is 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter. So that is 2 meter square for the area of door. Now total area for the wall, because you need to whitewash. Okay, so you just need to find out the area of a wall. Let me subtract it. So the exact area of wall for the whitewash, it would be 16.2 meter square minus 2 meter square, because 2 is for door, right? So when you will minus 16 minus 2, 14.2 meter square. So this is the area of a wall where you need to whitewash. Very simple, student. Now you have a cost for 1 meter square. It means cost to whitewash the wall for 1 meter square wall is rupees 20. And how much area you need to whitewash? 14.2. So it means the cost to whitewash 14.2 meter square wall is equals to 14.2 into 20. So the answer is 284.0 rupees, or you can say 284 rupees only. So this much area we will whitewash, the cost will be 284 rupees. Got, student? Question is just little bit complicated. You need to whitewash to the wall, including this door. So door, so we no need to whitewash. So we will minus the area of the door. Right, student? So this is the last question of our exercise 11.1. I hope you got the concept because the concept is based on area and perimeter only. Right, student? I hope you got. Solve the equation very carefully, understand it thoroughly. If you have any problem, ask me in the comment section or individually also. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye students and take care.